Hi, I'm Dr. Sri Lakshmi and I'm from Vizag. I've joined here for my AMOI, that is a Master's in Oral Implantology course. I've been here for like past 1 month. So I've learned all the techniques which were taught to us, and they've given the hands-on very good, and the classes were like amazing. I mean, literally, it's very important for us in the general clinical dentistry, and I got to know this clinic with my past professors who recommended me to come here, my friends who went there, and even my seniors who have gone here, they told me it's very good. It's very useful to me. If I go back to my clinic, I'll be really happy to knowing many stuff here, many clinical procedures here, and I've got the skill, the hand skill, and the senior doctors are very good in teaching and all. It's quite really good, and the hygiene of this clinic is it's also good. I mean, after coming here, like I've known what exactly should do and should not do. So yeah, it was a pretty good experience to me. Yeah, so I recommend my friends, my fellow doctors, my seniors, everybody who wants to have more exposure to other advanced techniques and advanced courses. I recommend them to come here. Thank you.